in the spot things, I don't know.
Coming in with a big load.
One, two. Way back.
Yeah, when we're down there.
Yeah, one
for each day. So one day, pick a Capri Sun.
Day 2 is the longest, right? And day 1, probably.
Yeah.
And then you want, there's regular apple,
I know.
strawberry apple, or cinnamon apple. You like cinnamon? What kind do you like, Clara?
Thank you.
Ay.
One Cliff Z-bar for each day.
Can I
I'll have 2 brownie, please.
2 brownies, please.
Okay, maybe I'll have that.
Can I have 4 brownies? 2 for each day.
You might run out of brownies.
You got 2 brownies?
Yep.
We've
Can I
got
have
mini
4?
M&M, we've got cocoa, or we've got chocolate drizzle.
I want-
One of them.
Yeah, I want
Which one? One of each.
I want 2 chocolate and 2 of the other. I mean, 1.
Wait,
of
is
the-
that for all the days?
Is
chocolate
this one
drizzle?
just plain? Wait, no.
None of
This
them are
one.
plain.
I want 2
That's
M&M and 2
plain
chocolate drizzle.
Yeah, that's what I
please.
want.
I want an M&M.
You know what? Instead of chocolate
Thank you.
drizzle, can I have an M&M? Sure.
We also want 2 things of chips. Oh, good. I know.
We probably are not going to get lunch.
One in each day, probably.
Yeah.
So everyone gets 1 strawberry.
These are
I took Meredith.
Yeah.
Well, if
Can I
she's
just
taking
have an
forever to
extra?
decide, I'm taking Cheetos.
Oh, what's this?
Meredith, what kind do you want? There's blue raspberry, or watermelon, or
Mommy,
strawberry.
can I take
Blue
2?
raspberry, please.
Watermelon.
Claire, watermelon or strawberry?
Wait, do we get 1 strawberry?
We can get 2 of these.
Otherwise, there's instead of Christmas candy, like the...
Okay, so it's a couple days later, and I just got back from volleyball practice. So we are leaving tomorrow, so I have to get everything packed up. So it's snowing out here. I'm in shorts here.
There's the golf clubs.
Okay, so now we need to beat it. Clean out this. It looks pretty dirty.
Oh, these are like that.
That was me.
Okay. Take these.
Come on, start grabbing trash. Go outside, Snicks. How do you do it?
Ha.
It's basically like,
You gotta get more. And then finish it up.
okay, we have to. Okay, so it's the night before we're leaving, and I'm in the car right now. So in the car back here, I have my seat way in the back, and then over here, I have a blanket for the dog to lay on, which goes over 2 seats. And then right here, I have my backpack of stuff to do, the dog's bag, my neck pillow, a blanket, and then a lap desk. So we're leaving tomorrow morning really early, and so I'm gonna vlog that. So that's the next video that's coming out. So keep watching for that video. And I just have to add my electronic bag, and everything's still charging, and that's pretty much it. Just have a couple last minute things to add in the morning. So thanks for watching this video, and keep watching for more videos coming up next.